It's day 18 of our 30-day exploration of creative problem solving, where we walk through the assumptions, the principles, and the guidelines for creative problem solving. And today I'm going to talk about a specific 6-step creative problem solving process. We're going to begin with what we call the problem space, where we're going to get clarity on what the problem is. Step 1, explore the vision. Exploring the vision is where we identify our goal, our wish, or our challenge. Step 2 is going to be where we gather data, where we really get clear on what do we know about the situation. So step 3, where we formulate the challenge to reframe our problem as a question that invites solution. Now that we have our question that invites solution and we're more clear on what the problem is, we can move to the solutions. Step 4, which is where we're going to start to explore ideas. Step 5 is where we're going to formulate solutions. This is where we are going to evaluate, we'll strengthen, and we'll select the best fit. This is where we make our solutions better before we start to implement. And step 6 is where we jump into really formulating a plan. This is where we're going to think about what are the assisters and resistors and what are the resources that we need. And at every single one of these 6 steps, we're going to diverge, come up with options, and then we're going to converge, evaluate options, and make decisions before we move to the next step. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to dive into each one of these steps and talk about tips and tools for digging deeper and making each of these steps more effective. So today's challenge, I want you to think about how have you been approaching problems lately?